Hello, in this video, I'll be making a video tutorial on how to get Bybit card. So right here, you need to have Bybit account, and I'm going to leave a link in the video description if you don't have Bybit account, so you'll be able to create your account with Bybit and receive a welcome bonus. So right here, after creating your account and then you verify your account, you have to come over here to this finance and scroll down to Bybit card. You have to press this Bybit card. It's going to bring you over here to this page to apply now. I'm going to press apply now. Right now, for you to be able to get this Bybit debit card, you'll be living in UK or EEA, and this is the country that is in EEA resident or citizen. Then after you see that you've met this condition, and you can press apply now. After pressing apply, you need to make level 2 identity verification for you to be able to get this card. So right here, I'm going to submit a proof that I'm a EU or UK resident. So I'm going to make this verification and press submit. Then I'm going to upload proof of my address, being my bank statement of my account, or any means I can show that I live in Europe or UK. So I'm going to do this now. Right here, this is the option I have to prove that I am living in UK or EU. So I can upload my official bank statement to verify my address. So I'm going to press continue. Right here, I'm going to try this on my cell phone. Then I'm going to press cell phone and I'm going to scan this link on my phone. Then I'm going to make this verification. Right now, I've already uploaded this information to confirm my account, my proof of residence. Thank you. We are processing your data. Your verification status will update automatically. So right now, I have to wait for this verification. Then I'm going to continue on the next section. You see, proof. You see, congratulations. Your verification was successful. You have been verified. So right now, I'm going to use this back button over here, return verified. So I'm going to use this button also, return. And right now, I'm going to use this option over here, go apply. And I will have to press continue again right here. And I'm going to answer some questions over here. Then I'm going to click this box and press submit. So I'm going to answer this private question. Then I'm going to press submit. Right now, I have to receive a verification code on my email, and I have to receive a verification code in my email if I press this button. And I'm going to go to my Google 2FA code, Google Authenticator verification code. So I'm going to verify this and continue. Application reviewing. After your card application is approved, you will be notified via email. They will send me a message to notify me that my application has been approved. Then that's when you'll be able to get this card. And that's what you need to know about this applying for Bybit card. If you get value in this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn up your notification bell. Right here, I've received a virtual debit card. As you can see over here, this is the debit card, virtual debit card. And if I want to apply for physical debit card. Right now, I just need to press this over here, press this button over here to apply for physical account. Right now, I'm going to make additional video to show you how to apply for physical debit card, physical Bybit card. So make sure you stay updated on my channel and turn up your notification bell and like this video. I'm going to see you on the next video. Let me know about any other video you want me to do on this channel, and I'm going to see you on the next video.